Here's an English-born beauty, 1970 Jaguar XKE 2+2. As you can see, bright red, also has a red interior, so nice looking red on red combination. A little history on this particular car. This came to us out of long-term storage, gentleman's collection. We've had it here, car runs and drives. We've not had it out on any sort of long journey, but we've had it out and about on the frontage road and up and down and around in front of our shop and what have you, into our detail department. And I will start it up here before we finish this video so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay, see how nice and clean it is underneath there. But before you're going to make a long travel or trip with this, it's probably a car you'd want to give the once over or go through. I would call it a nice driver quality paint on it. Interior is in nice shape. The paint does have some touch up. I noticed one in the driver's door has been touched up a little bit. Obviously has had a repaint over time, but I'll kind of point that out when we get to it too. Riding on these beautiful spoke wheels, red line tires. Of course, underneath the hood, this one is powered by a 4.2 inline 6-cylinder. Also nicely equipped car. It was an optional AC and power steering car. It does come equipped with both of those. That 4.2 liter is fed by a twin Stromberg carbs. Also in the 2+2s, the automatic transmission was an option. 1970, so this does have an automatic transmission in it also. This would be considered a Series 2 XKE. They got rid of the glass light covers. I believe on the Series 2, and the opening for cooling was made a little larger down in the front. Just a cool looking car. The E-types were based on the D-type racing car that Jaguar had at the time. Actually won a few 24 Hours of Le Manses, if I'm not mistaken. And one of the things that was noted for was disc brakes, rack and pinion steering, as well as independent front and rear suspension as far as the E-types went. Series 2s went from 68 to 71, and the 2+2 was added in 1966. The fastback style with the 2+2 was actually 9 inches longer. A little over 5,000 of these made. So not a ton of them made. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the interior, the underside of the car, check out the trunk compartment, the engine bay, feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com, or down below this video there's a link. Click on that. That's going to take you right to our website. We can check out the pictures, and of course we can be reached at 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions we may be able to help you out with. Take a little peek at the interior here. A very neat looking dash. As you can see, there's your automatic shift in the column, dual buckets up front, center console, and of course the 2 seats in the rear. Now we do consider trades. Financing is available, and of course we can assist you with the transportation, getting this car to where you're located at. I believe another thing on the Series 2 is this rear wraparound bumper changed. You can see the bright work on the chrome. Very nice on this car. Any of the trim pieces around the windows, bumpers, even the insignia of the E-type and Jaguar, door handles. Nice looking car. Again, take your time, look at the still pictures. There are some parts, some paint and some things that are with it, as you can see in the box there we have in the trunk area. Those will be in the pictures. You want to see any of the tags that are on it, all in the still pictures, the underside. Again, those can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. That'll take you right there. And once again, our number, 507-386-1726. See, the car's pretty straight up and down the side of it. Seems to fit well as far as the doors, hood openings. Here is one, if I can get it to show up, a little touch up that was done. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Kind of see it, a little touch up in the driver's door I was talking about earlier. Let's go ahead and open this up and take a look at it. Door panels, nice shape. Leather seats. headliner. Give it all the look, and again, anything you're seeing in the video should be shown in the pictures also. Appears to be the stock dash. I'm going to go ahead and fire this up so we can hear it run. Since I got the camera, I'm just going to kind of slide in here. Now you do have a choke right over here. It's been sitting inside this morning, so I don't think I'm going to need to choke it at all. We're just going to go ahead and fire it up. Should start right up. Alright, the one thing I did notice is the gas gauge didn't work. That's why you're seeing a fuel light there. I wasn't getting a reading out of the gas gauge. Oil pressure seemed to work fine. Did not have the radio producing any sounds. It did not have the radio working. But again, you can see stock looking dash, E-type steering wheel. Very neat cockpit in these cars. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back, you can hear it run. Nice idle out of it. What I'll do is I'll pause this video a second. There's two releases for the hood, one in each of the door jambs, driver's and passenger side. So it's going to take me a second. I'm going to pause this. We're going to pop that hood and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, got the hood popped. I'm going to show you this. Each side, there's a lever like this right there. Turn it, pull it out, that'll release the hood. One on the passenger side and one in the same spot on the driver's side. Alright, here's that 4.2 liter. Inline 6 underneath. See dual carb. Very clean, nice and tidy. Again, those beautiful spoke wheels, woodline tires just look great on this. Front tilting hood. Slip around to the driver's side here also. You'll be able to see a picture of the data tag, I guess, if you will. And again, you can see some of the equipment. It was equipped with the AC, power steering, and again, we've not gone through all of that. We've had this car running, driving up in the area we're at here in our frontage road, but we've not had it out on any long trips or journeys. Might want to get a little closer to home before you go through that. But what a beauty. There you have it, 1970 XKE Jaguar 2+2. Again, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located at. Check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, click on the link, take you right there. And once again, the phone number 507-386-1726. Give us a call on this one.